my friends. This is an original story that I wrote just for you, and it's called Kit the Kitten's Diving Dream. In a cozy nook of Whisker Lane lived a kitten, Kit with dreams insane. He dreamt of driving deep and far to catch a fish or maybe a star. Kit wore a suit so sleek and bright, with tiny flippers, oh what a sight! He'd leap and bounce with glee and thrill, imagining fish, a chase, a thrill. But here's a twist in Kit's brave tale. He feared the water without a fail. A puddle, a drop, made him shiver, yet in his dreams he'd dive and quiver. One sunny day by the garden hose, Kit faced his fear up on his toes. He closed his eyes, took a leap, but landed in a puddle, not the deep. Splish, splash, Kit's dream came true. He swam, well, sort of, in the water blue. He giggled and wiggled, all soaked and dripped. In his tiny yard puddle, Kit had dipped. So every day, in sun or rain, Kit plays in puddles down Whisker Lane. His dream of diving, not quite there, but for now he's happy without a care. And though he's just a kitten, small and tender, his heart is big, his spirit a sender of dreams so wild they light the sky. For Kit believes one day he'll fly, or swim or dive in seas so wide, with fish and dolphins by his side. For now he's the bravest in all the town, the kitten who scuba dives without a frown. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where he's splashing around in his very first puddle. So friends, let's not be afraid to do what we love. Take little steps at a time. You'll soon see that it's easier than you feared. I hope you liked the story. I'll see you soon. Thank you for reading with me.